Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. I'm sharing with you a new series that I'm going to start. I don't know if it's going to be every week or just when I get inspired, but this is going to be an inspirational video. I have a lot of awesome, great channels I love to watch and I get inspired by them. And Mommy's Budget is one of my favorites. So I thought I would share what inspired me about this video. Something on this video I really loved, and when I saw it, I ran out to Home Goods to get it. This video was Home Goods Shop With Me. And of course, I was shopping with her visually and watching the video when I ran across one item in this photo. I hope you can figure out which got me excited, but I'm going to show you right now what did, because I went down to Home Goods and I found it and I bought it. The only trouble with Home Goods, they have so many wonderful things. You can't just buy one thing. I always buy more. So I'm going to share my whole shopping haul. Not a big one, because I don't buy a lot at one time, but I'm going to show you what I did pick up. Please stay tuned and see what Grandma got. Well, I've been shopping at Home Goods again, as you can see. This is not a giant haul, but I think it's a very high quality haul. I want to share with you what I got for fall. I think it turned out pretty nice. What do you think? I got a little bit of something for every room in the house and the yard. Well, let's first start with these beautiful, beautiful gold and white plates. I don't have a lot of bling and I don't have a lot of beautiful pieces. That's what was nice about these. It gives me a little bit more classy pieces to use for something fancy. I thought they were beautiful, and you know I do tablescapes for two, so I only bought two. I paid $5 each for them, so the dinner plates came to $10 for a pair. And the salad plates were $3.99. I thought that was a pretty good buy too. I really, really love these salad plates and dinner plates. What do you think? And I found this beautiful glass set of dishes, handmade from Turkey, as you can see. I thought they were just beautiful, and I really, really enjoyed them a lot. So for $8 more, I can use these on these dinner plates just to give a little bit something different to look at. For I can use it more than one way. I always like to try to use things more than one way. And I don't have a lot of gold. That was another reason why I decided to go ahead and buy them. So for a very minimal amount of money, I can do 3 or 4 different ways these tablescapes. So what do you think? Let me know what you thought. And like I said, these are beautiful glass pieces made in Turkey. I did buy some glass pieces last year, and I'll probably buy a few more in the future. But I think this set off the gold perfectly, and I have some beautiful gold chargers already. So I will share them when I actually do the tablescape, and we'll break down the cost of each tablescape when I start putting them together. But I thought it looked pretty nice. Now, another great piece I found, want to share with you. This is my very first Martha Stewart seasonal decor piece I have ever bought. In fact, it's my very first Martha Stewart anything I've ever bought. I will say one thing, she has such a great sense of style and class. There's always something beautiful to see and enjoy that she puts together. She is an awesome creator. Now, I bought this for about 2 or 3 different reasons. One, the number one reason, it is very versatile. I know I can use this a lot of different ways, and like I said, I just bought all these gold and white pieces. This will make a beautiful centerpiece for my dinner table. It's set sort of low, so you could sit down and have it on the table and still have a wonderful meal and see who's sitting across the table from you and see them and talk. That was the probably number one reason why I bought it. Number two reason, as you can tell, it's a beautiful, beautiful piece. Like I said, Martha Stewart really knows how to design and put beautiful displays together. Another good part of this, I can put it on my kitchen table and it'll make a very nice display. I can put it on one of my trays and make it taller if I want. But best of all, I can put it in the cozy corner. The cozy corner is a small area in my kitchen, and you can't just put anything there because it's not a very big area. So I wanted to share with you this beautiful piece that I found, and it matches my dinnerware perfectly. That's the best part of shopping when you're shopping for a certain color or style. If you can find it all in one store, you can make sure that it's going to go. It's going to work. Like these plates, I know look beautiful together because I bought them at the same time. And I think all three pieces or four pieces work well together. Look at the pumpkins. Look at the plates. Do they not all go beautifully together? Now I want to share another piece with you that I got. I don't know if it's going to go as well, but when I saw it, I knew I had to have it. I may have to buy something else to go with it, but we'll see. I bought this beautiful handmade tray. Is it not beautiful? Love it. And it's copper and corrugated metal mixed together. Doesn't it look beautiful? Now, I don't know if I'm going to like using this. I might like it better if that pumpkins were elevated a little bit, but we'll see. But I know I'll use it a lot for other things. I think it goes good with the gold, even though it's copper and not gold. That's why I sort of like mixing some of the metals. Gives you a little bit of contrast, but still works good together. And this tray was handmade in India by skilled artisans, and I really do believe they are, because this looks like such great quality and beautiful. What do you think? When I saw it, I said, I think I really love it. I really don't have a lot of trays. I do have more than one or two, so I'm not going to say I don't have some. But I'm sort of picky about the trays. And this one, I think, will work with a lot of corrugated pieces I already own and have. And I really think the base of this pumpkin that Martha Stewart, I thought looked pretty good with it too. The metals are a little different, but they seem like they're working together. And I like it with the plates. That's like I said before. It's good to buy everything at the same time, for you make sure you like how the looks with everything. What do you think? I think I like it just fine. I think the pumpkins need to be elevated in there, or maybe decorate the bottom of this tray or serving tray a little different. But that's fine. I'm just showing you what I picked up. Surprisingly, I think I might even like using that plate to put under the pumpkins. Doesn't it look pretty with it? I really like it. I wouldn't use both plates, but the one plate does set it off very nicely. Really do enjoy it. The little dots of gold paint and all the beautiful little rhinestones sort of all work together on the pumpkins. Let me know what you think. Now, also at Home Goods, I always go to their, I found this also at Home Goods. They do have a section at Home Goods that has things for sale. Usually I don't find too many things there that I want to buy. Well, I happened to run across these beautiful blue napkins and beautiful light tan color or beige, and they were $4, and that was a pretty good price for really good quality napkins. So I said, let me get them. I have a lot of blue dishes, and this will give me a little bit more variety when I want to share. Well, what do you think about them for $4? Not bad. That would be about $1 a napkin. I think it's a set of 4 I have here. So I'm very happy with that. Now, the last piece I got, when I saw this, I had to put something else back because I really wanted this piece. Is this not the most beautiful, large fairy house you've ever seen for Halloween? It is just gorgeous. And it really wasn't even that expensive. I'm going to show you the price in just a second. But I wanted to show you all the detail work you already see around this. Isn't it gorgeous? From this angle, there's even another window and another little pumpkin. Isn't it cute? I just loved everything about this piece. From this angle, you have a beautiful tree going up the side. Everything about this pumpkin was just beautiful. I really enjoyed it, and the little curly Q at the top really was one of my favorites. And it really is not a scary haunted house or a scary pumpkin. It's just super, super cute. And it also has the welcome sign out to invite you in to a wonderful haunting Halloween. But isn't it beautiful? I just love it so. And the little ghost popping out of the top window. Well, I promise to show you how much I spent. You're not going to believe it. It was $17. That was not a bad price for something so nice. And as you can see, batteries fit in here and it lights up. Even best of all, this will come out here and get its photo op, but it won't stay out in the garden. I don't want it wrecked or ruined. I want to use this year after year for Halloween and for fall. So what do you think? Didn't I get a great haul? And if I wanted to turn it around like I've done now, it could just be like a pumpkin. I could put some greenery around from both sides and put it in the cozy corner, and you would never know that I had a ghost popping out of the window. I'm sure I could fix it up super cute for just a fall festival. Let me know what you think. I thought it was very versatile. I thought I could use it for a lot of different purposes. Thank you so much for stopping by. So glad you enjoyed this shopping haul from Home Goods, one of my favorite stores to shop at.